Hi, my name is Ramesh and welcome to Easy Classes. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how you can upgrade your Windows 10 operating system to Windows 11 operating system of the beta version on 24th June 2021. Okay, before getting to the actual tutorial, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's begin the tutorial. To install the Windows 11 operating system, go to the Windows search bar and type Windows Insider Program. In the best match result you will find Windows Insider Program settings. Click on that and make sure you have connected your device with internet. Now you will find Get Started button. Hit on the Get Started button. Okay, we need to register the Windows Insider program. Click on the register button and select sign up and select this checkbox and submit. Now we need to link a Microsoft account here. Click on that, and I have already created my Microsoft account, so I have to select this option. And if you don't have the Microsoft account yet, then you have to create this Microsoft account and continue. So I have already created my Microsoft account, so I'm selecting this one and say continue. I would recommend you to read this preview channel release. So once you have done, select on confirm and again select confirm. Now we have to restart our device, so let's restart. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar and type update. In the best match result you will find check for updates. Click on that. Now hit on the check for updates. This may take few minutes. Please wait. Please allow to download the software. It may take around 1 hour. So once you have downloaded completely, now hit the restart button. Let the system to install the all updates. So that's it guys, this is how we can upgrade our Windows 10 device into Windows 11 operating system. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, like, share and comment. We'll meet you in the next exciting video like this. Until then, bye bye.